Dear students of class 12th English literature, today our topic is on his blindness, that is written by John Milton. In this lecture 2 that will be delivered in English medium, we will study the poem on his blindness from When I Consider to Ask. Before we go through this poem, we will come to know some important things. The first is this poem is based on Petrarchan sonnet form, that is also called Miltonic sonnet. This poem consists of two parts, octave and sestet. In octave, stanza of 8 lines. In this part, the poet gives all his problems before the readers, puts problems before the readers, and in the last 6 line, that is known as sestet, in this stanza he resolves all the problem. He wrote this poem when he got blind at the age of 44. He wrote an epic in English that is known as The Paradise Lost, and while writing this, when he finished this, he got completely blind. Now what he thinks and how did he console himself, let's see in this octave. The poet says, when I consider how my light is spent, means these 8 lines displays the problems of the heart of the poet. The poet says, when I consider, means when he thinks how my light is spent, means how the light of the poet has been lost. Ere half my days, it means even when he has not completed his 50 years, because he got blind at the age of 44. Now the poet is thinking, before his half of age, he has got blind, and how he has lost his eyesight. After thinking this, he becomes very impatient and irritated. He thinks, in this dark world and wide, that this world has become a very dark and wide world for him, and that one talent, and he had one talent of writing poetry or writing literature, which is death to hide, means only death has the power to hide it. Otherwise there was no powerful person or thing in this world, but that talent is lost because he got blind. Which is dead to hide, lost with me useless. It means the talent of writing poetry is lying useless, is of no use for the poet. Though my soul more bent, although the poet wishes to write more and more poetry. Bent means the poet is highly desirous to write poetry. Why should he write poetry? To serve his maker, to serve therewith my maker. Maker means God. Because the poet wants to serve God by writing his poetry. The poet wants to serve God by giving presents in form of poetry in the praise of God, and it should be presented to God by him. And present my true account, the poet says, and he wants to present his true quality, but he is not able to do this. That's why he further thinks, lest he returning chide. Maybe it so the God will scold him. There is a myth and there is a belief in Christianity. After death, everybody will have to go before God, and he will put questions about the qualities which he has given to human beings, and he will ask what they would do, what they did do with those qualities. Now the poet thought and finds himself helpless. He thinks how he would give answer to God what he did with his poetry writing. That's why he here says, lest he returning chide. It may be that God would scold him for not writing poetry, then what answer he would give him. But at last, in this octave, there is a sound from the conscience of the poet, I fondly ask. And that sound asks him, it means his conscience asks him, does means doth means does God exact day labor lie denied? It means, can God expect some work or creation in literature after taking his eyesight? It means God can never expect a person who has lost his eyesight already, that he would give him and present his true account in poetry. Students, we have ended this octave, and before we end this octave, I would like to make you know, in the second line, I have my days dark worldwide. DD is repeated here. These are consonant sounds, and WW are also consonant sounds. When we repeat consonant sound, there is alliteration. In this way, alliteration, figure of speech, is used in the second line of this octave of this poem on his blindness. Thanks, and in next video, we will study the rest part of the poem that is known as sestet. Thanks.